Hey everyone, Titan here, building out the Sarah project. And today I decided to kind of start a vlog of the developments I'm doing with Sarah, what we're kind of building, and some updates just to show kind of some technical progress as well as get some feedback as we go through it. So these are going to be pretty simple vlogs, might do them every couple days or a couple weeks. We'll kind of see how development goes, but just wanted to kind of show kind of some of the tech we're using right now. So right now Sarah is quite static. She is only one piece of the camera is looking at her, and her facial expressions are static. So our technical animator has built us out all these hooks that we can start integrating into the Sarah's game. So for instance, first let's get Sarah up and running here. So we can put her on the default here, and I believe it's the mannequin hook that gets us to it. And then her mouth might be glitching a bit because I'm on a CPU or a GPU that can't handle this very well. But yeah, so just wanted to quickly show, like, we can now move her. We can do a full angle shot, and ideally we can change what she's wearing. So and go into customize, and we're gonna put something for pop star dress. There we go. So we can close this out. Okay, and so we'll start real quick by the facial expressions. So obviously this is her face. We can start modifying it so she can be happy. It looks kind of silly, sad. What are some other ones? Relaxed. I thought relaxed was really interesting. It's like a slight, just a very subtle smile. And then annoyed. See, she's kind of upset. It's really subtle. But if we type in here, you know, hello world, how are you today? So she's a bit annoyed with this.
Hello world, how are you today?
Okay. Again, my GPU that I'm on for my development is not can't handle this. Anyway, you know, you can kind of be like, I like ice cream too. And, you know, she could be really happy, and
Fuck you, I like ice cream too.
okay. It looks really bad on this computer. It's not rendering very well. So anyway, there's all these like emotions we can get with her. So we're going to be integrating that and improving that as we go on. But the other updates are, so we can zoom out now. And what I'm trying to figure out is kind of how we can use this in the game. So she's got some emotions, like we can get her to start like dancing now. And so the question is, like, when she's dancing, how does this integrate in the game, right? So we can do full body, we can do we can zoom back into her face while she's dancing. I believe we can stop her from dancing as well. Right, so we get her back to neutral. So dancing, not dancing. There's a lot more coming down the pipeline with our animator. But the idea is, you know, in Sarah's game, do we want her to be dancing to music? Do we want her to be do we want her, when should she dance to music? When should she talk? When, you know, the facial expressions are pretty easy to implement. I will just be updating her back end to include facial expressions that are relevant to the way she would interact with the player. But if we kind of bring up Sarah's game, the question is, like, with her full body experience, do we want her to automatically prompt the full body kind of look when there's an opportunity for her to dance? Or do we want an ability for users to make her dance? Like maybe there's like a customize button here, or like an actions button, and maybe you pay some Sarah tokens, and you can now modify where the camera is, or you can modify her outfit, or you can pay to watch her dance or do interesting things, or is that a response she should have within the chat and she should be fully autonomous to make those decisions based on how the person is talking to them? So you could be like, hey, dance for me, and maybe she would. Or is that like a function of like a different revenue stream where people can pay explicitly for these type of different actions? So facial expressions are coming. Those are going to be implemented over the next few weeks, and they will be very subtle, but slowly increasing the quality of her interaction. I'm just trying to really figure out the way we're going to deal with her full body appearance, the camera angle, the different actions, the background, her clothing, her hair, her, all these customizations that we have, like how do they fit into the game? So just wanted to give an update on a couple of technical things I'm working on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one.